chicken bacon ranch sliders with candy bacon. Let's get to it.
All right, first things first, we're going to get our chicken prepared. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add us some olive oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use olive oil. Those two work best. It helps with the coating. Also, it's going to help with the tenderness of the chicken. So, make sure that you rub the oil all around the chicken. All right, after you contribute the oil evenly around the chicken, you're just going to add some salt. Do that to both sides. So you want to add you some onion powder. Add in some garlic powder. Smoked paprika. And last but not least, we're going to add some Cajun seasoning. You rub it all around. Get it fully coated in that seasoning. It should be fully coated just like this. Now we're going to place it on the oven rack and we're going to cook it with the bacon. This side we're just going to lay out our bacon. In this bacon, we're going to cook us about 8 to 10 strips of bacon. I'm using thick bacon. You can use any type of bacon you like. So guys, you want to make sure that before you add the bacon and the chicken to the oven, we're going to preheat the oven to 400. So go ahead and get the oven preheated. All right, before we add our bacon into the oven, we're going to add some brown sugar to it. It's going to give it a nice, sweet, salty taste. And I promise you guys, this part right here is honestly what made the dish. Flip it over and repeat. Now that the bacon is fully seasoned with the brown sugar and our chicken is fully seasoned, we're going to put them on the same pan. If you can have it fit, if not, just use 2 different pans. It's really up to you. And then we're just going to place it in the oven for approximately 18 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is completely cooked through and the bacon is cooked to your preference. All right, while our food is in the oven cooking, let me go ahead and show you guys how to make some homemade ranch dip. In order to make homemade ranch dip, you're going to need your half a cup of sour cream. Add you half a cup of mayonnaise. Add you half a cup of buttermilk. All right, then you're going to hit it with these seasonings. I will have all of the seasonings in the description box, so do not worry, guys. I got you. And that, my friends, is how you make homemade ranch. All right, so the chicken is ready. I'm still cooking the bacon. The bacon may need a little bit longer depending on how thick you got the bacon. I got some extra thick bacon, so it cooks a little bit longer. But while that's going, I'm going ahead and cut up the chicken first, and I'm gonna show you guys how this looks on the inside. This is what it came out to be after 20 minutes in the oven, guys, on 400 degrees. It's still juicy, as you can see, and very tender. Chicken is complete. All right, when your bacon is done, once you cook it to your preference, we're just going to cut it down. After you're done cutting up the candy bacon, you're just gonna place it to the side. All right, for the next step, you're just gonna get you some bread and cut it in half. All right, so you wanna add back your chicken. All right, after you're done adding your chicken, you're gonna add over your bacon. Next, you're gonna get you some fresh cheddar cheese. Add as much cheese as your heart desires. All right, so for the garlic butter, you're gonna add in half a stick of butter, add in some garlic paste. You're gonna add some salt, throw in some parsley. And then lastly, just gonna pop that in the microwave and you're gonna heat that up on about 30 to 40 seconds just to melt all the butter, and then you're gonna mix it in. All right, next you're just gonna spread that butter over the top. Yeah, get that garlic butter wherever you would like to taste it. All right, and then you're gonna pop that in the oven 10 to 15 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until the cheese is completely melted and the bread is completely golden brown, all right? And there you have it, chicken bacon ranch sliders with candy bacon. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.